Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mufnish Aiman bin Ahmad Bakri. Okay, so I am a final year student at UPSI, pursuing a Bachelor of Education Physics with honor. Okay, so have you ever wondered why two sounds sometimes become louder, softer, or even disappear when they overlap? This interesting effect is caused by the interference of sound wave, a key concept in the Form 4 Physics KSSM topic under wave phenomena. This concept is important. Many schools still lack affordable, hands-on kits that can clearly demonstrate how sound wave interference works. Teachers often rely on fact simulation as an alternative, but this approach is not always effective because internet coverage in some schools is unstable or limited, causing interruption during teaching and learning. As a result, students struggle to visualize constructive and destructive interference in a consistent and meaningful way. So, to address this challenge, we developed a portable and low-cost busboom sound wave interference kit and that enables students to observe and experience interference directly through physical experimentation without depending on internet access. So, the innovation title is Development and Usability of the Busboom Sound Wave Interference Kit among Form 4 Physics students. Okay, as we know, many schools in Malaysia still rely on traditional teacher-centered teaching method, especially for physics topics. To ensure a deeper understanding, a more student-centered and interactive approach is needed. So that's why we make this innovation or this kit because we want students to explore by themselves the product. Okay, so the Sabudin and Halim 2020 also highlight that the lack of interactive or engaging learning activities during lesson is one of the main reasons students struggle to grasp abstract physics concept. So that's why we build and we construct this kit for help the student to see clearly about this topic. Okay, for this innovation, we have two objectives, which is to develop the Buzzbook experimental kit for the subtopic of sound wave interference among Form 4 physics students. And the second one is to determine the usability level of the experiment for the subtopic of sound wave interference among Form 4 physics students. Okay, here is the flowchart of innovation idea. First is the draft project idea. So I make a draft project. After that, I explain my draft project idea to my supervisor. After that, I wait for the supervisor confirmation. After I have a green light, I go to build first prototype. After that, from the first prototype, I have identified a few problem, which is the kit or innovation is too big, hard to carry, and messy wires. Okay, so I make a new version. I redesign the new version, which is more smaller and it is smaller and portable kit. And I also breadboard enclosed in a small box. And lastly, I finish the innovative of Busboom kit. Okay, so here is my first draft project idea. So I sketch it in the iPad or tab. So the result is like the picture here. Okay, this is my first draft project idea. After I have made a draft project and design it in the tablet, so I proceed to my supervisor and after I got approval, I made a first prototype. So the first prototype is like this picture where we can see the wire is like a little messy, and the kit is like too big and hard to carry everywhere. So from this, I identify the problem and I make a new one version. We can see the next slide. Okay, after identify the problem, I overcome with the final Masboom innovation prototype, as we can see in this picture. So this prototype is more small and it easy to carry. compared to previous one. And we can see the buzzer and also the breadboard and the wire I have put in one box only, so it's easy to carry, and we cannot see the messy of the wire because I have put it all of the component in one box compared to the previous one, which is open and it's easy to wash. Okay, so for the conclusion, in this project, Buzzboom began as a simple idea, but through feedback, redesign, and improvement, it became a compact, powerful tool for teaching sound wave interference. With many schools struggling with internet issue and limited teaching aids, Buzzboom provides a hands-on, portable, and affordable solution that brings physics to life. This innovation helps students understand concept more clearly, support teachers in delivering effective lesson, and prove that even small idea can create big impact in education. So here is the references for this innovation. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. And we can see how to use the Buzzboom kit to this video. Okay, untuk yang kedua, ambil soundbox. Soundbox yang kita boleh nampak ada breadboard dan sambungan beberapa wayar kepada buzzer. Jadi ambil bateri untuk bunyikan dia. Sebelum itu, kita letakkan buzzer ni, sumber bunyi kita mengikut lukisan yang kita dah lukis. Lukisan yang disediakan, iaitu contohnya S2, dia letak di lubang kotak Buzzboom ni. Okay, itu S2. Untuk S1, kita letakkan dia dan kita laraskan dia. Okay, baik saja selesai. Kita buat macam ni. Lepas kita setkan, kita tetapkan kedudukan untuk buzzer ni mengikut ukuran pada kertas kita telah sediakan. Kita setkan ni, okey, ni untuk jarak 8 cm. Kita masukkan bateri, hidupkan soundbox kita, hidupkan buzzer kita. Okey. Lepas tu kita letakkan telefon bimbit yang dibuka dengan aplikasi Miosh pada di garis note dengan garis anti note untuk melihat perbezaan bunyi. Okey, garis note kita letak telefon bimbit dalam keadaan menegak. Okey, untuk garis anti note. Kita dapat lihat dekat garis anti note sound dia adalah 80, manakala untuk garis note adalah around 77-78. Maksudnya ada perbezaan di situ. Okay.